Hey guys, welcome to Texture's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your Monopoly Go app and then log in onto your account. Now, once you're logged in and you're already onto the app, you'll need to navigate to your sticker album. You can usually find it by tapping on the album or collections icon. Inside your album, you'll see all of your collected stickers. The duplicates that you have will automatically be stored in chests or stars. So you can see this onto the bottom part of your screen. So you can see a chest icon in there. Once you take a closer look onto that, you can start by buying the first one for 100 stars. It usually contains between 15 and 29 dice, along with 4 packs and a minimum of 3 stars. As you progress in the game, you will unlock additional chests like the one at level 450 or level 1300. So the higher the level, the better rewards. So to check out what's inside a chest, simply tap on it, and as you can see, the rewards can include more packs, more dice, and other exciting prizes. And that's how you exchange stickers for rewards in Monopoly Go. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.